Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about the best way to clean and organize your room. Now, if that sounds overwhelming, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Cleaning and organizing is something we all struggle with sometimes, but there's a method to it that makes it not only doable, but maybe even a little fun. Get rid of it! Alright, first things first. Set yourself up for success by making sure your workspace is ready. This means gathering your cleaning supplies, trash bags, storage bins, and any other items you'll need. You'll also want a spot for things you plan to donate, trash, or keep. This way, you don't have to scramble mid-clean. A well-known home organization expert, Marie Kondo, recommends starting with a blank slate by taking stock of all items. Gathering supplies and establishing designated piles helps make the process clearer and less overwhelming. Now, let's start by quickly picking up trash and gathering dirty laundry. Get a trash bag and go through the room, tossing any obvious trash. Then, grab a laundry basket and pick up any dirty clothes lying around. Why this step is important? Researchers at Princeton University's Neuroscience Institute, 2011, found that clutter can make it difficult to focus. Starting with trash clears away immediate distractions, making it easier to tackle the rest. Sort by category, not location. Rather than trying to clean shelf by shelf, focus on sorting items by category. Go through your room and collect everything that falls into similar categories. This could be books, shoes, papers, or tech items. Here's an example of how to do it. Pick a category. Let's say, books. Grab all books in the room and lay them out in one spot. Decide which books you actually want to keep, donate, or store elsewhere. Repeat for each category. This approach is inspired by the KonMari method, where items are categorized to prevent decision fatigue. According to a study by Stanford, categorizing objects is a helpful psychological strategy to avoid overwhelm and keeps you motivated to continue. Declutter ruthlessly. Now that you've grouped everything by category, it's time to declutter. With each item in a category, ask yourself if it has a purpose or brings you joy. If not, consider letting it go. How to do it? Hold each item and decide whether to keep, donate, or toss. Place each item in its designated area, trash bag, donation box, or a pile to keep. If it's tough to let go, ask if it has a real purpose in your life. Why decluttering matters. Studies, like one from UCLA's Center on Everyday Lives of Families, showed that decluttering reduces stress and even promotes better sleep by lowering cortisol levels. Plus, it gives you more space and clarity. Deep clean surfaces and floors. Now that you've decluttered, it's time to clean. Start by wiping down surfaces and dusting shelves. Then, vacuum or sweep the floor. This part will help your room feel fresh and new. How to do it? Use a multi-surface cleaner and a cloth to wipe down furniture, shelves, and your desk. Use a broom or vacuum to get all the dust and dirt off the floor. Cornell University released a study indicating that clean environments encourage productivity and improve mental health, so this step has powerful benefits for you beyond just looking nice. Organize items in storage bins. It's time to put everything back, but in a way that will keep it organized. Place items in labeled bins or boxes. Keep your most used items in accessible spots, and store less used items higher up or further back. How to do it? Use your bins to organize similar items together. Label bins so you know where everything goes in the future. For things like papers, consider a small filing system or folder. Why storage matters. An article from the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals suggests that clear, labeled storage systems reduce decision anxiety by giving you a designated place for each item. This makes future cleaning easier too. Finally, take a last look around. Put any last items in their places, adjust anything that doesn't look right, and make a quick note of anything that could use better storage. It's these final tweaks that give your room a polished, organized feel. Why it's important? This wrap-up step encourages a feeling of completion, which psychology suggests improves satisfaction with any task. And that's it. The best way to clean and organize your room. Now, not only is your space cleaner, but it's also set up to stay that way longer. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about your favorite organization tip. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!